What we packed for the Everest and Gokyo Lake hike.
So trekking in Nepal is really unique because there's all these gear rental shops in Kathmandu, and you can get anything you need if you're willing to pay, and that's not true for a lot of spots in the world. So you can literally show up here unprepared and get everything. So this is what I got. Toiletries, bucket hat, regular hat. I've got some shorts, which I'm hoping I'll be able to use. Thermal leggings. And these are like some Lulu light pants to wear at night. I have some trekking pants, a thermal top, a long sleeve dry fit for sun protection, 2 dry fits and a merino, a fleece, rain jacket, and I've got this huge down thing from a Nepali rental store, so hopefully this is warm, and a sleeping bag. Got a buff, one of those neck things, a toque, my gloves, camelback, a whole bunch of wool socks because I don't have waterproof boots. And I'm just kind of running with trail runners, so I think I'll be changing my socks a lot. Boxers, a towel, and the old map. Sunnies, deodorant, some rehydration packs, and then just lots of lip chap, some earplugs, and eye covers for the tea houses, and hand sanitizer, because apparently the pipes freeze all the time, so there's not always running water. And a big glob of medication. Anything we could ever need is in here. We have a little first aid kit too.
And trusty Gregory down there.
Oh, Gregory. Well, Gregory's still alive. Gregory's tried to die on me a couple times now. We've blown out the shoulder tensing strap. This one feels like it's pulling out of the main bags. This might be Gregory's last hurrah. Hopefully she makes it, or he makes it. So we thought these would be overkill, but we are very happy we brought them.
Okay, so this is everything that I have for the Everest and Gokyo hike. I decided to bring 2 pants, so a trekking pant, a Lulu pant, and some shorts, and then 2 sports bras, I'm wearing one, and a tank top with a built-in bra, several underwear, I think I have 9. This is a big puffer jacket that I rented, and I rented this sleeping bag as well. And then I also have a fleece, a smaller down jacket because it's March, so it's going to be cold. I think it gets to -20. Then I have my Patagonia rain jacket. I have 3 dry fits, base layer, gloves, towel, a toque, bucket hat, regular hat, and then I have all my toiletries, socks, most of them are smart wool, and then these ones I bought for like $2 just for the hut. An extra bottle, camelback, e-reader, some headphones, trekking poles that I rented, and passport wallet, all my toiletries, and then some wipes, and these are just some like water tablets for vitamins. These are water treatment, some hand sani, and an eye mask, headlamp, my watch, and my bag. So I'm not sure if I overpacked, but I don't think I did. Maybe I'll take away my tank top, I'm not sure. But yeah, let's see what Pat's gonna bring. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on Nepal, and make sure to subscribe, it really helps us.